Hey, so just got out of this meeting with Rotary Club. So it's been like 4 months ago now. I joined Rotary International, which is this club that like I had never heard of before, right? Probably a lot of you are saying, "What is it?" And it is like the joke about it is it's a club for old men and their fathers. And that's kind of changing now, but the general purpose behind it is to be doing good in the world. So a lot of major projects that are out there have Rotary Club backing. So it's kind of like the movers and shakers of every city, town, state are generally always in a Rotary Club. It's pretty cool. So I went and visited one, and I was extremely uncomfortable. I was the youngest by a good bit of the men the time I went, and it was just a completely different experience, and it made me super uncomfortable. And I know that like when you do things that make you uncomfortable, that you grow a lot. So that was what I told Lacey. I was like, all right, I'm just gonna do this and see what happens, because you're supposed to do things that make you uncomfortable, right? So I did, and I just got on the international board, which means that I help with international projects. So helping find an international project that is a sustainable project, and then we help build funds, help organize like every aspect of this international project, and coordinate it with another club. It's a ton of stuff, and I just got out of my first meeting with that, and it's just kind of a crazy experience because I'm super excited about it. But again, it's like dealing with these guys that, like, the one guy donated $50,000 to the charity last year, just out of his pocket, which I like to do all I can, but I don't have $50,000 to donate. So it's just kind of like a crazy kind of thing. But just wanted to share that with you, because basically it all stemmed from back in it was like November of last year. I read this book called High Performance Habits, and in that book he has you like go by and like rate each aspect of your life, like what are you succeeding in, what are you not succeeding in. And the one area that I really had like no rating at all in was in service. We help out every once in a while, but not on a regular basis. And so it was just like, this coming year, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to focus on service. It's going to be more than just, giving somebody a handout every once in a while. I really wanted to be part of an organization. And so that's what led me to Rotary, and it's been awesome so far. So just wanted to share that with you. If you're not doing regular service, find a way that you can participate weekly or daily, even monthly, in service. Tony Robbins has a huge quote that's my favorite. He's like, if you're waiting until you're rich to be able to donate money, then you probably are never going to donate. He's like, if you have $1, you should be donating 10 cents. If you have $10, donate $1. Whatever you have, donate. If you don't have any money, donate your time. But get in the habit of donating what you do have and making it a part of your life, and you'll see a lot of rewards with that. So that was kind of, my whole idea was like, man, I need to be doing service, because it's like when you have service filled in is part of your life, then your life feels more fulfilling. You're helping people. That's part of your life, and it's honestly really true. A family and I were helping with a local project too, and I'll probably talk to you guys more about that on another day. But yeah, so just wanted to challenge that to you. How can you help daily, weekly, monthly? How can you give with what you got now and make a difference, make an impact in this world? All right, thanks everybody.